Hello children, welcome back, and today in fraction we are going to start a new topic, that is multiplication of fractions. So now children, here you can see find the product, and here fractions have to be multiplied. So what should we do? Our first step is reduce the fraction to lowest terms. That means one numerator and one denominator has to be cancelled by a common multiple. Then next step is to get the product of numerator and denominator. Then whatever numbers are remaining in numerator, multiply that, and in denominator whatever numbers are remaining, multiply that and write as the answer. So let us start. Our first sum is 18 by 30 into 5 by 4. So 18 by 30 into 5 by 4. Now if you see children, you can clearly see that 5 and 30 are multiples of 5. So for example, I will write here now 5 in the numerator and 30 in the denominator. So what is the common multiple? 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. Right? So now we have common multiple here, that is 5. So let us cancel this common multiple. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. So we will write like this. So we have finished one cancellation. Now we will see any more numbers can be cancelled. Yes, 18 and 6, they both are common multiples for 6. See, 18 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. So 6 3s are 18 and 6 1s are 6. So 6 is the common multiple. We will cancel here. So what is remaining for 18? It is 3, and for 6 it is 1. Now what is remaining in the numerator children? 3, and in the denominator there is only 4. Is there any common multiple for 3 and 4? Nothing. So we have reduced the fraction to lowest terms. Now it cannot be further reduced. So our next step is get the product of numerator and denominator. So what is the product? 3 1s are 3 of numerator, 1 4s are 4. And this is our final answer, 3 by 4. Actually, we can do cancellation directly here children. This is only to make you understand how the cancellation has to be done and how you have to replace the numbers. So let us go to the next sum. 12 by 25 into 10 by 18, right? So 12 by 25 into 10 by 18. Now you can see that 10 and 25, the common multiple is 5. So 10 in the numerator and 25 in the denominator. I will write the common multiple first. 5 2s are, and here 5 5s are. So common multiple gets cancelled. So instead of 10 now we will write 2, and instead of 25 I will write 5. Now 2 and 5 or 5 and 12 will not go, but 12 in the numerator and 18 in the denominator. Can you tell me children what is the common multiple? Yes, 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 6 is common multiple, 2 and 3 in the numerator and denominator respectively. Now if you see children, 2 is there in the numerator and 5 and 3 are in the denominator. They are all prime numbers. That means it cannot be reduced further. So our next step is get the product of numerator and denominator. So 2 2s are is 4, 5 3s are is 15, and this is your final answer. Hope you understood children. Now let us go to the next sum. 27 by 40 into 20 by 21. Now what is the common multiple for 27 and 21 children? 27 and 21. Yes, it is 3. So 3 9s are 27 and 3 7s are 21. So 3 9s are 27. So here will come 9. 3 7s are 21. So here we will get 7. Now next is 20 and 40. So you can cancel 1 0 on the top and 1 0 at the bottom. So you are left with 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is another common multiple is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now no more cancellation is possible. So 9 ones are 9 and 2 sevens are 14. And this is your final answer. Okay. Now children, we will do this sum. Without writing like this, we will do direct cancellation in the sum itself. 81 by 100 into 25 by 36. Okay. Now if you see children, if you know the tables of 9, it is very clearly visible that both are multiples of 9. 9 nines are 81, 9 fours are 36. Otherwise first you have to divide with 3 and again you have to divide with 3. So it is better take the highest common multiple and that is 9. 9 nines are 81, 9 fours are 36. Now actually 25 ones are and 25 fours are is 100. Suppose if you don't know the multiplication of 25, you can use 5 tables also 2 times, like 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0. Again 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So always remember children, when you are cancelling, one number should be from the numerator and one number should be from the denominator. Now these both are in the denominator, so you cannot cancel this. So your final answer is 9 ones are 9, get the product, 4 fours are 60. And that's all children. It's so simple if you know the multiplication tables. So in our next class, we will study how to multiply mixed fractions. Bye for now.